Hari Om. Hello everyone, I am Shrees. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is of class 12 mathematics chapter 3rd matrices. Matrices or matrix. Matrices is the plural form of matrix. So matrix is nothing but it's a rectangular array of numbers or functions arranged in rows and columns. Matrices have various applications in engineering, mathematics, computer graphics, statistics and other fields. In mathematics, these matrices are used to solve linear equations that you will study later. So in this chapter, we will discuss about fundamentals of matrix algebra and applications in solving linear equations. Now here let us look at an example for a matrix. For that, here Sujit and Sudev are classmates and they appeared in the entrance examination in engineering. Okay, and their scores, Sujit scored 48, 47, 49 and Sudev scored 38, 35, 40 in physics, chemistry and maths respectively. Okay, now these scores can be written in tabular form, right? That is, here Sujit marks and Sudev marks. Okay, physics, chemistry, maths. So Sujit scored 48 in physics, 47 in chemistry, 49 in maths. Sudev scored 38 in physics, 35 in chemistry, 40 in maths. Okay, now here we can rewrite this information in with rows and columns. Okay, that is 48, 47, 49, 38, 35, 40. See here, it is first column, second column, third column. It is first row, second row. Okay, so in this, see, this form is called matrix. See, matrix is nothing but rectangular array of numbers or functions. So this matrix has 3 columns and 2 rows. So once again I am defining matrix. Matrix is a rectangular array of numbers or functions enclosed by the bracket, this closed bracket. So we can write this information in this form. That is 48, 47, 49, 38, 35, 40. So it is the matrix. So matrix is a rectangular array of numbers or functions arranged in rows and columns enclosed by the bracket. See this bracket. It is the matrix. And here now let us go through elements of a matrix. See here, elements of matrix means the numbers or functions. The numbers or functions are called elements of a matrix or entries. Okay, elements of a matrix or entries. So these all numbers are the elements of this matrix. Matrices are usually denoted by capital letters of English alphabet A, B, C, etc. Now let us go through some examples of matrices. Matrix A is equal to 0, 1, 3, 5. Matrix B is equal to 18, root 5, 0, minus 9. 1, 3. Matrix C is equal to sin x, cos x, root 3, 0, minus 1, 5, root 5, tan x, pi. Okay. So here these are the examples for matrices. Okay. These are the matrices. And the first matrix, matrix A has 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 rows and 2 columns. So it is first column, second column, and first row, second row. So here matrix B has 3 rows and 2 columns. 3 rows, first row, second row, third row, first column, second column. And matrix C has 3 rows and 3 columns. It is first column, second column, third column, first row, second row, third row. So therefore matrix C has 3 rows and 3 columns. So here the horizontal line, that is horizontal line of elements are said to constitute rows of the matrix, and vertical line of elements are said to constitute the columns of the matrix. Next we will study about order of a matrix. See, let us consider these examples. First example, matrix A is equal to cos x, 2x, 0, root 5, 3, tan x. This matrix A has, we know that, 3 rows and 2 columns, right? Therefore, we call this matrix A is a matrix of order 3 by 2. We read it as 3 by 2. 3 rows and 2 columns. The first number represents number of rows. Rows comes first. Okay? Number of rows comes first. So, it is a matrix. A is a matrix of order 3 by 2. And it has total 6 elements. 3 into 2, that is 6. So, matrix A has 6 elements and matrix A is of order 3 by 2. 3 rows and 2 columns. Here first number represents number of rows. And matrix B is a matrix of order 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Here 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay, first number represents number of rows. Second number represents number of columns. So it is a matrix. B is a matrix of order 2 by 3 and it has 6 elements. So generally we can say a matrix having m rows and n columns. Okay, m rows and n columns, then that matrix is called a matrix of order m by n. That matrix is called a matrix of order m by n. It has m rows and n columns, and it has m into n elements. Okay, m into n, that is mn elements. Okay, generally we can say a matrix having m rows and n columns. This matrix is called a matrix of order m by n and it has m into n elements. Here m is nothing but it shows that it represents number of rows. M is number of rows and n is number of columns. Okay, now let us write general form of a matrix, that is m by n matrix. M by n matrix is here A11, A12, A13, etc. See here, we know that there are how many columns? N columns. Therefore, last element, this element will be A1N. Okay, A1N. It is first row, right? So, in first row, the first indices will be 1. Okay. So A1, A11, A12, A13, etc. A1n, because there are n elements. Okay, it is the general form of a matrix, that is matrix of order m by n. Okay, matrix of order m by n, that is m by n matrix. It is the general form of a matrix. Okay, A21, because second row, A21, A22, A23, etc. A2n, A31, A32, A33, etc. A3n, etc. See here, last row, that is here we have, it is a m by n matrix. Since m by n matrix, we know that first number represents number of rows, right? So it has m rows, therefore it is am1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, etc. m. It has m rows. am1, am2, am3, etc. amn. It is the general form of a matrix, or a matrix of order m by n, m rows and n columns. And this matrix has how many rows, how many elements? M into n elements. Okay, m into n elements. Now we can write general form of a 3 by 3 matrix. General form of 3 by 3 matrix. 3 by 3 matrix means it should have 3 rows and 3 columns. Okay, that is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. It is the matrix of order 3 by 3, general form of a general form of 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, now let us write general form of 3 by 2 matrix. General form of 3 by 2 matrix. 3 by 2 matrix means 3 rows and 2 columns. Okay, this matrix having 3 rows and 2 columns. So 3 rows, that is A11, A12. Okay, 2 columns. A21, A22, A31, A32. It is the general form of 3 by 2 matrix. Now let us go through some example. First one, in the matrix A is equal to matrix 2, 5, 19, minus 7, 35, minus 2, 5 by 2, 12, root 3, 1, minus 5, 17. Write the order of the matrix, the number of elements. Write the elements A13, A21, A33, A24, A23. So here the given matrix A is a matrix of order. See, this matrix has 3 rows and 4 columns. First column, second column, third column, fourth column. First row, second row, third row. So this matrix A is a matrix of order 3 by 4. Of order A is a matrix of order 3 by 4. That is 3 columns and 3 rows and 4 columns. First number represents the number of rows. Okay, so rows comes first. Number of rows comes first. So 3 by 4. 3 rows and 4 columns. Okay, so it is the matrix of order 3 by 4. The number of elements. The number of elements is nothing but, if it is a matrix of order 3 by 4, it has 12 elements. Okay, 3 into 4. So 12 elements. Okay, write the elements A13, A21, A33, A24, A23. First one, A13. A13 means first row, third column. First row, third column. First row, okay, first row, third column. That is 19. Okay, A13 is equal to 19. And A21, second row, first column. Second row, here, second row, first column. Okay, that is A21 is equal to 35. Next, A33, that is 3. Here first one represents rows, okay, and second one represents column, okay. So third row, third column, third row, third column, okay, third column, third row, third column, that is -5. And A to 4, here second row, fourth column, second row, fourth column, that is 12. And A 2, 3, second row, third column. It is the second row and third column. So the element is 5 by 2. 5 by 2. See here, if Aij is an element of a matrix, then ith row. See here, I means ith row and j means jth column. Okay. So it's an element ith row, jth column. Look at the second question. If a matrix has 8 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? We have a matrix of order m by n has m into n elements. A matrix of order m by n has m into n elements. So it is given that a matrix has 8 elements. So here we have to find the possible ordered pairs of natural numbers such that their product is 8. That is 1, 8, 1 into 8 is 8. Next 2, 4, 2 into 4 is 8. 4, 2, 4 into 2 is 8. And 8, 1. Okay, 8 into 1 is 8. See, these are the possible ordered pairs of natural numbers such that their product is 8. Therefore, the possible orders of the matrix are 1 by 8, 2 by 4, 4 by 2 and 8 by 1. Okay. The possible orders of the matrix are 1 by 8, 2 by 4, 4 by 2 and 8 by 1. Third question. Consider a 2 by 2 matrix A is equal to matrix Aij, where Aij is equal to modulus 2i minus 3j, write A. See here, as I mentioned before, Aij means an element from ith row, jth column. Okay, ith row and jth column. So here, let us write the matrix A. It is given that Aij, and it is also given that it is a matrix of order 2 by 2. So 2 rows, this matrix has 2 rows and 2 columns. Okay, so A11, A12, A21, A21, A22. So it's a matrix of order 2 by 2, 2 by 2 matrix. And here, see, here we have to find all the elements of this matrix. Okay, it is in the general form, okay, general form of 2 by 2 matrix. So here write A, means here we have to find all the elements. Okay, now let us find one by one. A11, A11 means I is equal to 1, J is equal to 1. Okay, I is equal to 1, J is equal to 1. So A11 is equal to 2 into 1, I is equal to 1. Okay, I shows row, okay, and J shows column. So ith row, that is first row and first column. Okay, that is I is equal to 1, J is equal to 1. So 2 into 1 minus 3 into 1, that is modulus 2 minus 3, that is modulus minus 1, that is equal to 1. Next, we will find A12. A12, here in A12, I is equal to 1, J is equal to 2. So 2 into 1 minus 3 into 2, that is modulus 2 minus 6, that is equal to modulus minus 4, that is equal to 4 itself. Okay. Next, let us find A21. There is no A13. A21. Here I is equal to 2, J is equal to 1. Substitute. I is equal to 2, j is equal to 1. 2 into 2 minus 3 into 1, that is 4 minus 3 modulus 4 minus 3 is modulus 1, that is 1 itself. Next, A22, that is equal to, here I is equal to 2, j is equal to 2. Substitute I is equal to 2, j is equal to 2. 2 into 2 minus 3 into 2, that is equal to modulus 4 minus 6, that is equal to modulus minus 2, that is equal to 2. Now here we have got all the elements of this matrix, right? That is, here we can write matrix A is equal to A11 is 1, A12 is 4, A21 is 1, A22 is 2. So it is the matrix. Construct a 3 by 2 matrix whose elements are given by Aij is equal to 1 by 2 into modulus I minus 3j. So here it's a matrix of order 3 by 2. Okay. So first of all, let us write the general form of 3 by 2 matrix, that is A11, A12, 2 columns, okay, A21, A22, A31, A32. 3 rows and 2 columns. So here, let us find all the elements. A11, here it is given that Aij is equal to 1 by 2 into modulus I minus 3j. So let us substitute, let us find all the elements substituting I and j values. Okay. A11, here I is equal to 1, j is equal to 1, 1 by 2 into substitute I is equal to 1, j is equal to 1, 1 minus 3 into 1, that is equal to 1 by 2 into modulus 1 minus 3, that is modulus minus 2 is 2, so 2 by 2 is 1. Okay. Then A12, here I is equal to 1, j is equal to 2, so 1 by 2 into 1 minus 3 into 2, that is equal to 1 by 2 into modulus 1 minus 6, 1 minus 6 is minus 5, so modulus of minus 5 is 5 into 5, so it is 5 by 2. Next, A21, here I is equal to 1, j is equal to, I is equal to 2, j is equal to 1. Substitute I is equal to 2, j is equal to 1, that is equal to, here 1 by 2 into 2 minus 3 is minus 1, modulus minus 1 is 1, so 1 by 2 into 1, 1 by 2. Next, A22, here I is equal to 2, j is equal to 2, that is 1 by 2 into 2 minus 3 into 2, 6, that is equal to 1 by 2 into modulus of 2 minus 6 is modulus minus 4, modulus minus 4 is 4 itself, that is equal to 2. And A31, that is equal to 1 by 2 into modulus, here I is equal to 3, j is equal to 1, substitute I is equal to 3 and j is equal to 1, 3 minus 3, here modulus 3 minus 3 is 0, 0 into 1 by 2 is 0 itself. And A32 is equal to 1 by 2 into I is equal to 3, j is equal to 2, 3 minus 3 into 2, that is equal to 1 by 2 into 3 minus 6, 3 minus 6 is minus 3, modulus minus 3 is 3, so 1 by 2 into 3, that is 3 by 2. Now we have got all the elements. Let us rewrite the matrix. Required matrix is A is equal to A11 1, A12 5 by 2, A21 1 by 2, A22 2, A31 0, A32 3 by 2. So it is the required matrix.